Hello students, today I am going to start your English grammar chapter 1, that is articles. Do you know students what is article? In your previous class also you have learnt something about articles. Article is what? The word a, n and the are called articles. You have learned this in your previous class also. Now I'll explain you how these articles are used. First you should know that a and n are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. Now we will read one by one definite and indefinite articles. So first, how we will use the article a. Now see, the article a is placed before a word beginning with a consonant. A consonant letter, you know what are? Vowel, you know that vowel is what? Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowel letters, and other letters are called consonant, like G, M, B, C, D. These are called consonant letters. So I'll give you one example how we will use this. First, you should know that it is placed before a word beginning with a consonant letter, where then we will use a, like a girl. G is what? G is a consonant letter, and here M. M is what? M is also a consonant letter. So here we will use a girl, a map, okay, like this, a doll, a man, a tree, like this. These are all called a article a, where we will use these words. And one more thing is there. Here you see a 1 rupee note. The letter O in 1 is pronounced as W. 1. We are pronouncing as W. So here we will write 1. 1 is, we are pronouncing a consonant sound. So understood how we will use this? A girl, a map, but a 1 rupee note, because O in 1 is pronounced as W, that is a consonant sound. So I'll give you one example here. See, I met a trained Kathakali dancer today. Here you see, this is what? T. T is what? T is a consonant letter. So here we will use A. One more example. There is a bookshelf in Nana's room. Now here see, B. B is what? B is a consonant letter. So here we are using A. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this, how we will use this a article. It is placed before a word beginning with a consonant letter. Now the next one is how we will use this n. Indefinite articles a and n. A I have told you how to use. Now we will learn how to use n. The article n is placed before a word beginning with a vowel letter. Vowel letter, you all know what are these? A, E, I, O, U. These are all vowel letters. So whenever it is placed before, it is beginning with a vowel, then we will use N. For example, see here, N orange. Why? O. O is a vowel letter, so we are using here N. Then N apple. A is also a vowel letter, so N apple. N egg. E is what? E is also a vowel letter, so here N. Then another one is an honest person. Now this you have to see very carefully how honest we are using N, because H is not a vowel letter but it is pronounced as, see, NR. Here you see the H in R is silent and R is pronounced as our. So here also we will use N. Now see here one example. Timmy is an honest boy. Honest we are pronouncing as O, so we will write here N. And here, okay, I hope you all have understood how we will use this honest in this one N. So I hope you all have understood this A and N, how to use this A and N, that is indefinite articles. Now move to definite articles. Now definite articles, we use A or N when we mean any person or thing. We use the when we mean a particular person or a thing. Okay, when it mean a person, a particular person or a thing, then we will use the here. Like here, see, take a chair. Take a chair means any chair you can take. Now next is take the chair lying near the window. Now here a particular chair is given. The chair which is lying near the window. So here we will use the. Take the chair. Now next one more example you see. A man is waiting at the door. Means any man, then here we will use A. A man is waiting at the door. Now again we will use the in the next sentence. How? See, the man you wanted to meet is waiting at the door. Here it is given that the man you wanted to meet is meeting. A particular man who is waiting at the door. So here we will use the. Understood how to use the? So here are also some rules how to use this. See, now here see, it's of a thing. A particular person or a thing. How? See, he showed me a box. First A box, because here is a consonant letter, so we will write here A box. But here a particular box is referred, so the box was full of toys. It is telling that with the box which is full of toys, we have to showing that box. So here we will use the box, because it is a particular box. And here again, we use the in other words also, other sentences. See how we will use here. we use the with the following. How? See, the moon is shining in the sky. The telephone is ringing. Means here are more. The is what? Only moon is only one. So the moon is shining in the sky. And here the telephone is ringing. So the particular telephone which is nearby is ringing. So here we will use the. Now other examples are also there. How we will use the here? First, you see, we use the with the following, that is the names of river, seas or oceans. It is so the names of rivers are what? The Kaveri and the Black Sea. Here we are referring to the sea and the river. So we will use here the Kaveri and the Black Sea. Now next example, see the names of well-known buildings. Here also we will use the, like Gateway of India. Here also we will use the Gateway of India. And the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a well-known building, so it's here also we will use the. Now next is the names of holy books. Now you know what are the holy books? The Gita, Bible, Quran, these are all holy books. So here also we will use the Gita, the Bible. And one more example where we have to use the, we use the with superlatives. Superlatives is like the best student. Here also the. Then the most beautiful flower. Here superlative is best and here most. So here also we will use the best student, the most beautiful flower. So these are about how we will use the. So I hope students you all have understood how to use the, a and n. So this is all about articles. One more time I am giving you the example of a and n, just to see here. Example of article A is I met a trained Kathakali dancer today. Okay, before a consonant letter A, in here there is a bookshelf in Nana's room. Here also a consonant letter, so A. Now N, example of article N, see Vanya ate an apple. Apple, A is a vowel letter, so here we are using N. And next is I would like you to give me an egg and an orange. Here also E is a vowel and O is a vowel letter, so here we will use N. So I hope you all have understood this article chapter, and once again go through this video and I'll give you the exercise in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.